Hi, Mr. Saeed. How are you? I just want to ask you about the CELTA, Cambridge CELTA, because I'm planning to do it this summer holiday. Hi, brother. Good for you. CELTA is the best choice. Yeah, so what is CELTA? CELTA is Certificate in Teaching English to Speakers of Other Languages, and it's awarded from Cambridge English Language Assessment. I heard that CELTA is only for native speakers, not for non-native speakers. Is it true? No, this is not true. CELTA is for teachers who have some or little experience, for applicants who have no teaching experience, for native and non-native English speakers, but your level as a non-native should be C2 or high C1 according to the CFR. Oh, good. Okay, how long does it take and what are the course formats? Which one is more suitable for me? Any recommendations? To be honest, CELTA is a demanding course. It requires a lot of hard work. 120 contact hours and 120 additional learning hours. CELTA comes in 4 different formats. The first one is the full-time and it takes 4 to 5 weeks, almost a month, and this is the intensive version. The second format is the part-time. It takes a few months over to a course of a year. The third format is the online, the blended one. You take the input sessions online, you do the assignments online, and then you go to the center and do the teaching practice in a week. The fourth format, and it happened only after the coronavirus, is the fully online or the 100% online. Fine, and what are the course components or what are the course compositions? What happens in the course? There are 2 main components in the course. The first component is the teaching practice, and the second component is the 4 written assignments. The course includes input sessions, tutorial support and consultation, supervised lesson planning, 6 hours of assessed TPs, 2 levels and 2 tutors, feedback on teaching practice, peer observation of TP, experienced teacher observation 6 hours. Thank you so much. 2 more questions, please. Will be an exam at the end of the CELTA course? No, there is no end of course exam. The assessment in CELTA is ongoing. You're going to be assessed based on your portfolio. And there are 4 grades: Pass A, Pass B, Pass, and a Fail. All right, thank you so much. The last question is about the fee. How much should I pay for that? The fee of the course differs from one center to another, but the average is 1,200 GBP. Thank you so much, Mr. Saeed. You're welcome, dear. Thank you so much. Good luck.